नमस्कार, मैं हूँ रूपसेन और महाराष्ट्र जनसत्ता में आपका सहर्ष स्वागत करता हूँ। आज देखिए एचजीएच का यहाँ पे नेस्को सेंटर में शो हो रहा हूँ। यहाँ तो मैं नेस्को सेंटर में हूँ। हमारे साथ बीना मैडम है, टेक्सटाइल और हैंडलूम के कमिश्नर है और उनसे सारे ढेर सारी बातें करेंगे। कैसा लगा मैडम? वेलकम टू द महाराष्ट्र जनसत्ता न्यूज़। दैट इज टुडे इज द एचजीएच शो इज गोइंग ऑन. This show is Asia show, the biggest show one, and branded show is the HGS houseware is there, garment is there, then different exhibitors are coming, and we are covered your inauguration that one. How you feel like the general gorgeous show that?
I think it's a very good show, very world class kind of show that we have here, and uska jo the impact on the business, that is really good. Because we have small players and big players, but the entire ecosystem, the entire value chain, big players, small players, importers, exporters, so all under one roof, it gives a lot of creative energy to the industry.
Okay. That another one thing is this is Asia's biggest show, and one this is one common room is that all the exhibitors are coming and their buyers are coming. And what you want to give the message from this show that one, all of you?
So I think the India's home sector, in terms of decor, in terms of artistry, in terms of furnishings, in terms of textiles, is an evolving sector and has a lot of growth potential. So earlier, we used to be very minimalistic when it comes to a requirement at the home. But now we are looking at aesthetics, we are looking at modernity, we want designed elements, we want contemporary design element, and all with, we also want craft, we want handmade. So basically home is not just, some bricks and pieces and wall. It is about you. It's about your personality, what you believe in. So in that context, these decor elements, they have a lot of importance.
Okay, another government question is any textile industry the government is going to provide to give something discount or something?
I have no idea. I cannot speak on that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for madam for giving your comment.
Thank you so much.
One clip I want. One small.